The journey toward permanent residency, PR, often begins with excitement and determination. Yet, hidden behind this dream lies a critical gateway, the Immi-Account. This official online portal of the Australian Department of Home Affairs is where your entire application takes shape. It may look simple, just forms, uploads, and clicks, but every entry you make carries legal weight. One minor typo, one miscalculated point, or one overlooked document can silently jeopardize months or even years of preparation. The reality is striking. Most PR refusals are not dramatic. They stem from small, avoidable mistakes. Understanding these errors before they happen could be the difference between approval and rejection. Comprehensive details in paragraph form. One of the most common and serious mistakes applicants make in their Immi-Account is entering incorrect personal information. Even a minor spelling difference in your name, an incorrect passport number, or a mismatch in your date of birth can raise red flags. The Australian immigration system cross-checks details against official documents, and inconsistencies may lead to delays or refusal on grounds of misleading information. It is essential that every detail exactly matches your passport and supporting documents. Another major issue arises when applicants select the wrong visa subclass or stream. Australia offers multiple PR pathways such as subclass 189, skilled independent, subclass 190, state nomination, and subclass 491, regional. Choosing the wrong category or misunderstanding eligibility requirements can result in an invalid or unsuccessful application. Many applicants rush this step without thoroughly reviewing the criteria, which ultimately affects their outcome. Incomplete or incorrect document uploads are also frequent mistakes. Applicants sometimes upload expired documents, unclear scans, untranslate certificates, or incorrect file versions. The Department of Home Affairs has strict requirements regarding document format, clarity, and authenticity. Uploading the wrong document in the wrong category can create confusion and delay assessment. Every file should be clear, properly labeled, and uploaded in the specified format and size. Failure to update important changes in your profile is another overlooked problem. If your employment status changes, you gain additional qualifications, change your address, or experience changes in your health or character circumstances, you must update your Immi-Account promptly. Not declaring relevant changes can be interpreted as withholding information, which can seriously impact your credibility. Miscalculating points in the skilled migration points test is another critical error. Many applicants overestimate their work experience, English test scores, or educational qualifications. Claiming points without valid documentation can lead to refusal for providing incorrect information. It is important to calculate points carefully using official guidelines and ensure every claimed point is supported by verifiable evidence. Health and character requirements are equally important. Delays in completing medical examinations or obtaining police clearance certificates can slow down processing. Some applicants ignore official requests for additional information within the specified timeframe, which may result in refusal. Responding promptly and scheduling required checks early can prevent unnecessary complications. Technical issues within the Immi-Account system also cause problems. Uploading unsupported file types, exceeding file size limits, or failing to save progress before session timeouts can lead to missing data. Applicants should save their progress regularly and review every section carefully before final submission. Ignoring system warnings or validation errors is a risk no applicant should take. Lastly, rushing the final submission without reviewing the entire application is a costly mistake. The PR application is a legal declaration. Once submitted, correcting errors can be difficult and sometimes impossible without consequences. Carefully reviewing every detail, verifying attachments, and confirming payment receipts are crucial final steps. The Australian PR journey is not merely about eligibility, it is about accuracy, integrity, and attention to detail. The Immi-Account may appear to be just an online form, but in reality, it is the foundation upon which your migration future stands. Every answer you provide is assessed with scrutiny, And every document you upload shapes the decision that could transform your life. The reassuring truth is that most mistakes are entirely preventable. With patience, careful documentation, and a disciplined review process, you can eliminate the common errors that derail many applicants. In the competitive world of skilled migration, precision is your strongest ally. Approach your Immi-Account with seriousness and strategy, and you move one confident step closer to turning your Australian dream into permanent reality.